Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Bonfire Night. So in this video I'm going to be singing a very well known bonfire night song. It's called Katy Perry's Firework, and I'm sure pretty much a lot of you know it. So without further ado, let's do it. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, waiting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, or blown from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under scans, 'cause no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? And there's a spark in you. You just gotta light, the light, and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show what you work. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. And you shout across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come and let your colors burst. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. You wanna leave them all alone, oh, oh. You don't have to feel like a waste of space. You're original, can it be replaced? If you only knew what the future holds, after a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you can open on and lead you to the perfect world like a lightning bolt. Your heart will glow, and it's time you go. You just gotta ignore the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show what you worth. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. As you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come and let your colors burst. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna lead them all and oh, oh, oh. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon. It's always been inside of you. And now it's time to let it through. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show what you were. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave them alive. Baby, you're a firework. Come and let your colors burst. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave them all in, oh, oh, oh. Baby, boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon. And if you like the video, guys, don't forget to click the link below, subscribe to the channel, follow me on my social medias. Back in soon for another fun filled packed YouTube video. Bye for now. See you all soon. Ta-da.